Meow. Meow. So this is kind of a practice sketch that I did to warm up for a watercolor I want to do of this kitty looking kind of grumpy in a snowstorm. So I'm just going to map the shapes in. Get the muzzle. The paws start out as just little ovals. No, don't worry about details at first. I just want to get the general idea. And the lines and angles. And I can correct as I go. If we keep the lines light at this stage, then it's easier to do some correcting as I go too. Block in that tail. Set line for the eyes. Find it really helps to get a line in for the eyes so they end up matching up nicely. And same as the swoop of the ears. It helps the drawing be more unified. So I just got a big nose right now, but we'll fix that. There we go. And one eye is not opened a whole lot, and the other one is just a little slit. Kind of adds to the expression. Just want to keep that kind of cranky look. I don't want to be out here in the snow. And cats can be so expressive. And the tabby stripes are an opportunity to form the contour of the head, because they kind of, you want them to go around the roundness of the head. And you don't want a lot of angles on this cat, any harsh angles, because fluffy cats don't show a lot of angles. Their bone structure doesn't show a lot except in the spots where there isn't much hair. I mean, the bone structure is still important. It helps form the shape. But we don't want the harsh angles like we do on a shorter haired cat. And everyone has their own way. So, and it's up to you to find yours. I am going twice the speed. I've got it sped up to twice the speed. I go back over those eye lines to strengthen them up a bit. I have to be really careful because I don't want to lose that spontaneous look that I got to start with. Yeah, I put too much nostril line in there. Just wanted to erase a bit of that out. Don't want the cat to have a pig nose. That's better. Just a suggestion of hair. And I'm just putting in a suggestion of markings too, to give a bit of contour to the cat, add a bit of interest. But it's really just a warm-up practice sketch for what I want to do later. And I just pop some toe beans in. I don't measure out too much. I just trust my gut and put them in. I find it, the more I plan, the more unnatural they look. It's the feeling of the kitty we want to capture. I like the expression I got. It's kind of half smile, half grumpy, I think. I don't know. Do you think so? I love to hear or read your comments. Tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing, or just say hi. Tell me where you're saying hi from. That's always awesome to hear, or to read, I guess. There's a few random lines there. Gives a suggestion of hair, doesn't it? Looking forward to doing the watercolor of this one. We'll pop some whiskers in there to finish that kitty look off. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.